That's right. Blam. I just was saying no. Because we plan to have an emergency. I don't know. She was saying no. My bed not get yet. Abba ben papa more than 10 minutes. If you never say me do gates. Now my papa ben you me and some I'll fire you. Do you hear me? Nonsense.
Mr. Oscar.
Honorable.
So be anno nya abotama security plan. Why?
Honorable, I have do. I'm a big gate 3 minutes, more than 3 minutes. I feel now over baby me. I don't know you man.
Yes, sometimes it is sir.
By the way, mommy and inside.
No problem.
Money baby. Say me frame one. Anya boni. Me frame say me boma baso. Ejuma since I'm a farm of free abontin by fear. Ejuma money my yen. Me near so papa man kana me boa. Me fair. Ejuma mo yen me fair perfect. Because of that, I am a person do weekend be a me show kakra. What must say? Intino me mamu kakra mo fan sham gwana weekend. I hope say dey a no fia mo be na kakra. O jam na won on the one of her. Inti monyi we. Na fato ho ansa. What is? Aya na mo dey to be beadi. Now listen to me. Super. O was so din te do be na me bu fukura o mi wo ho. Eho mi na me fi abonten be dufie na me bo ben pampa na oti ba bia oti ona do me ba cho lati ajem e bi si bi I hope say e bi si bi so now so je enti no e ma me hu sa bi what okay it's okay yeah it's okay boss monko na monko yede mo right all right okay.
Nama, Sunday. Nama muna ko woni. Ya, osi na muna so.
Na muna sa say.
Say, wa onim say ni amanche.
No crop person ade no crowd do. De bia beba bia na bi ni ho. Onim say na muna ye wo be bia ye hye da ko. Na so beba bia na ade amani ba afro. Ade na we say. So say jinu so kra ya to ne dia fra we lu so da dia ko ma bo se to no kwa so anka ye moa
on ti ase sant wo de yen kwa ase oni ko pe bi
yen ko na
ya mun je kasa na mu je mu se woni gaji okay yen kwa ase oni ko pe bi
yen ko na bo so kra ya de ko kra no
honorable
yeah Mr. Oscar
nyame adumo chano pa early in the morning mekota krade
okay
mekota krade port ko check me name bi containers bi na se me di machija na wotimi ekohwe enkwala na wotu omka
okay
because bosumi na wu na minisidi so me ho enti mema ho sika dollars
okay
but me calculate na be is about $1,000 enti me discount amount na abomodin ase obesesa na odi obia de ama me why na wo hwe chiri ama me pa 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 this is $1,000 enti je na fa kosesa na fa tuya ema me wada roma the judi ntina me yesade no so why okay
yeah Mr. Oscar as you know say I only me pedigree no
yeah
yes me hwe say ni megu ase
okay
na to nyema bi as you know na oniama no ase apante we did last week akatem so wa shepo niema
yeah very unfortunate man can't show them na ma shepo dada but na me refi say me no be ka ho asem
no problem I'll try to do so
okay
as you know me with my pedigree
I believe in you
when you say me nyema track asa you be be fine
mate
all right
okay
about some achana pass me who so I want to come
all right mate empty you know me right you know me what I want to say so you know me right now what channel pa by 9 o'clock, cast down, but the 2 amount. It's a pro bra. What's it? It's so good with my no problem. It's so bra. And never get I delay the car. Don't worry, okay? It's a phobia. Why? No, yeah, yeah, yeah. It's the man itself. At the channel, Panama, the case kind of we are. Then we start afresh. Now we are starting for the new way that now come. Yeah, they are also come. Right. Hey,
that's what I would done. Ofa, that's what we would done. Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, fine, sir. But that no na today do ya man tias here da. When you jam with dinko man for udane. Dem pan and we enti ma udane sir.
Oh. SMP. SMP, but o dey emfa enonton chance. Na actually be dey hu komo. Wadaroma.
Yo, me da was pa say udi me sika nyina ma me awie di ha o chira bra ba je documents.
Okay, good. Me da se document na ready. Nyame adom china meba ma beje why. Me da se pa nyame sure. Okay, bye. Bye.
Good. Then I'm the man $350,000 US. No?
That's right.
What you need now, I'm good. For documents.
Oh, mo. Miss me dawasi. Papa. Oh, come on. Oh, okay, now they say Medina daso, Mr. J. Oscar. Mo what do boss so? Same so. Me this can ma when me ambona ode me pepe sama no.
Adanu bebre ho se.
Onyo kase no.
O ni perform bra na me.
Enye ni pasem. Me akasa.
Wana betumu tiato ni.
Nyabotre me ane e frame unisika wu. Unisika wu.
Odogu pa.
So ho na o edi. Enfo hia kan kwasa asem wo.
Agwai wo sika.
Na metini na o se den.
Na enye bibia me fiancé Sandy. Ochire your birthday. Tell me it's from say ochimu be jamine be celebrating here the Emma na enye fe.
Pa. Honorable pa. Na send birthday now to me catch me ado wada. You know what? On say wo ye nipa bia. One big the same. Humble lion. Mo ye nipa bia me fa mu ni agro because sika no ho de ba mo man ka ho a mintumi nya hwe. Intimi fa mu ni agro na bibi se ontumi catch onu bibi. Me fa birthday no ka nyina.
Oh wow.
Bia no abetu.
Wow.
Ensuro. Trust me. What did I make catch you?
Wamina minna Oscars.
The boss.
Lion pa, monim say them tie. Monim say them no tie. Ensuro. Thank you. But you know what? Mommy am come adwuma mu paradise.
Okay.
Na me call dey ho e call na yempe bibi ni preko na. Ewi ana fe ya to so bi. Why?
Come on, trust
them. Honorable.
Yeah.
Oni bibi.
Dabia.
Me no anante ache. Me no anante so nyam bone da. No kwadi o dimamiti no. Se ne o girlfriend edin birthday a. E ho ka nyina mafa. What did make us wrong? Wow. Happy birthday. Wow. Wow. Mafa ka nyina.
Me da say, Carlos. Oh, and when you ma dia share me the sweet baby. Me ko so ata wo cha break na. The sumo hemo. Me na me chi ma. Nti ko so ara me di ohene.
Happy birthday to you. Yay.
Why, Grazie. Good evening. Fine. Good night, saying, I'm out of my way. I told me, Oscar. Oscar, no, wine. Boss. Why, Mary, boss, my friend. As I am, I'm meeting you, that's it. My boss, no wine. Hey, please, I'm searching for your boss. Yeah, now I'm a try. I'm in trouble. I'll put you down here. And your Ogana card. What I try to ask me? Oh, Ogana card. Boss, Wada. Mary, boss, who jam here? I don't know, say, and time Rennes are, hey. Yeah, Rennes assembly. It's not me who's here, roofing, your brother. Catch and say, honorable, honorable. Yeah. Now, honorable, honorable. Mr. Oscar.
Do you remember say me catch you say me per se me top mountain be e wo de la Hoya estate.
Okay.
Yeah.
I remember.
Na me man nsa so. Makoto da net yaka $350,000 choppable dollars.
So, you want to tell me that you have bought that house?
I tell you.
Really?
Sure.
Wow, it's so amazing.
You know what?
Wow.
My catch you say me see me ya me see ade ya me. Enye dem bi keke wo. Go and see, go and look for oni ko hade. Na me ado mo channel pa. Omra na me fa na me ko che.
Boss me. Sika wura.
Some catch you say woni sika wo. And show ho a.
What?
Now you din. And for here I can catch you.
No, pass. Boss. Already shira.
Wow, that's good.
Because why can say? Hey.
Only sika wo.
Sika wura.
And show ho na you din.
It's my able time.
Oh, me dey say me available. It's mo na say mo do a time mo am beba no. Then you come together.
But it's better to give us time.
No, any problem. Just you wake up at 6, 7, 8, 9 that way. Anytime. Yeah.
So roughly by 9 o'clock.
Na mo have crisis enough, yeah. Then you could make watch them. Na mo for money for mountain.